Hi there, welcome back to this week's List Perfectly's Reseller's Toolbox. I'm Sarah, a List Perfectly intern and a clothing reseller, and today I'm going to be showing off my new and beautiful Ikea clothing rack where I store everything that I'm selling. As mentioned, I recently bought this Ikea clothing rack for around $12 to $13, and it was super easy to construct. It took like 15 minutes, and I recently moved into my first new apartment, so I knew I was going to have a bunch of space for a rack. Because compared to where I used to live, I was storing all my clothing inventory in like these reusable bags in my closet. It just wasn't organized, things are wrinkly. So I'm super glad I bought a clothing rack for this new place, and I 100% recommend getting one for your business because it just looks nice. Things won't get dirty as much, you won't lose it. And plus the rack goes with the aesthetic of my room, and it's super nice to have in like your reseller shots, your inventory shots, and just like pictures for your Instagram page. So I definitely recommend getting a rack like this or one that's similar to it. Fellow resellers, getting a clothing rack is definitely the way to go, especially if you have a smaller space that you want to maximize. You know, a lot of us, we don't have an extra room or a storage unit to store our inventory in. And clothing racks, they're small, they can fit into any tiny area like the one I have here. And then you can organize your clothing to how you see fit. So now I'm going to show you guys how I organize my clothing rack, and at the moment this is the only inventory I have, so I don't have like a super detailed and specific inventory system. So as of now I kind of just sort it by color, so dresses kind of go by the rainbow, kind of, and then here I just have my tops, like this nice Madewell one, this nice Anthropologie shirt, and like this one that I'm absolutely obsessed with. And then down here I kind of keep my pants, bathing suits, skirts, and then the shoes that I have at the moment. I don't know too much about the different clothing racks on the market out there at the moment, but I definitely recommend this specific one from Ikea. I don't remember the actual name, but I'll link it down below in the description. But this one I love because you have like these endings, so you can put like bags, pocketbooks, purses, whatever, and then at the bottom you have a platform so you can put shoes and bags of other things. And then also get like nice uniform hangers. I got these ones from Home Goods. I like the velvety ones, they're super nice. You can put anything on there, they don't slip. They also have like pink ones, white ones. It definitely gives your rack like a uniform look, which is also nice for taking pictures. Thank you resellers for tuning in to this week's Reseller's Toolbox. Again, I'm Sarah, and let me know down in the comments if you have a clothing rack and how you organize it. Thank you.